In this video, I will show you how to use Google Forms in order to develop a survey for students to self-assess their understanding of a topic. We will use the ISTE Standards for Students as the topic. ISTE stands for the International Society for Technology Education. There are 6 standards, as you can see from this document. Creativity and innovation, communication and collaboration, research and information fluency, critical thinking, problem solving and decision making, digital citizenship, technology operations and concepts. After you log into your Google account, click on the tic-tac-toe icon in the upper right-hand side of the computer screen. Scroll down until you see the purple Google icon form. Click the plus sign to create a new form. For this form, we will focus our questions on the second standard, communication and collaboration, which states that students use digital media and environments to communicate and work collaboratively, including at a distance, to support individual learning and contribute to learning of others. Let's title this form Self-Assessment of ISTE Standard 2, Collaboration and Communication. Let's also add the description. This survey is for students' self-assessment of their ability to communicate and work collaboratively. The standard is broken into 4 components. Component 8 states that students should be able to interact, collaborate, and publish with peers, experts, or others, employing a variety of digital environments and media. To add a question to a form, click on Entitled Question. I will add, how often do you communicate and collaborate with your peers in a learning environment? Add the following options: never, occasionally, frequently, almost all the time. Although it is not necessary in this case, notice that you have the ability to add images to both the questions and the choices. I recommend making all questions required by clicking on the toggle. Otherwise, students can choose not to respond to a question. To create a new question, click on the plus sign displayed on the vertical screen to the right of the form. We will add the following question to address Component B. Students will be able to communicate information and ideas effectively to multiple audiences using a variety of media and formats. We will add, how well do you feel that you can effectively communicate information and other ideas to multiple audiences using various types of media? To change question type, click on the area saying multiple choice. That's the default. The various question type options are displayed. We will choose linear scale. We'll label 1 as not well at all and label 5 extremely well. Again, click on the required icon toggle. To view what you have done so far, click on the eye icon, then click on the pencil icon to return to your edits. Let's add a third question using a different question format. The third component of the second standard states that students should be able to develop cultural understanding and global awareness by engaging with learners of other cultures. To assess this, we can craft the following open-ended question. What steps do you take to engage with students of other cultures? Explain. Notice that the application automatically changes the question type to paragraph form when you type the word explain. Otherwise, you could simply just click the type icon to select a different option. The fourth component of the Communication and Collaboration Standard states that students should be able to contribute to project teams to produce original works or solve problems. To assess the component, we will add the following multiple choice question. How comfortable do you feel working in project teams to solve problems? We will also add the following options: not comfortable, somewhat comfortable, and very comfortable. We can also create a checklist question. What types of collaborative tools do you feel comfortable using? Check all that apply. The options are Google Docs, Microsoft Word, Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, Google Slides, PowerPoint, and other. Notice again that it automatically changed the question type. I can also rearrange questions. I can move this question after number 2 simply by dragging the question up. I can also duplicate the questions if they are similar. Once I have added questions, I can change the appearance of the form by clicking on the color palette. I can also change the themes provided by the application or even upload my own picture. The Settings feature allows you to restrict who the form is sent to, as well as the editing ability of the participants. The Presentation feature allows you to shuffle questions, useful for online quizzes. The Quiz feature allows you to make a form a quiz, and you can set various point values to the questions. Once you have completed your form, there are several ways that it can be shared with participants. It could be sent through emails, Google, Facebook, and Twitter. It can be shared through a link. This link could be shortened. The form can also be embedded into a website. After the form has been shared, you can view the responses. Click on the Response tab of the form. You can review the responses as a summary or by individual. The responses can be printed, exported to a Google Sheet, or downloaded as a CSV file, enabling the user to analyze the data further. As you can see, Google Forms is a great tool to assess students' understanding. Please feel free to contact me with any questions at spolin@nyit.edu.